It may be small, but it's got talent. Ginger, the ginger root, the ginger of all tonics. Let's talk about ginger for a second. The Ginger Delight Juice. So, ginger. What's up, ginger? Ginger is a tonic that is so powerful in so many ways, from digestive system to inflammation to helping with immunity, all of these things. My personal favorite is the good old ginger helps with travel calm. Now, I could tell you numerous stories of me and horrendously getting sick when traveling, and I came across ginger. Instead of taking all those things that make you go drowsy and sleepy and you can't deal with the rest of the day because you've had this travel sickness tablet, and anyway, ginger is the most natural way to help with travel calm. Throughout roads and windy streets in Bali, I remember I had to stop off for ginger tea to help combat travel sickness struggles, and the struggle was real. So I've got a juice for you today where you can take when you're going on a long trip, and if you happen to get travel sickness, jump in with this juice, the Ginger Delight, and it'll help combat that for you. Now, today we're going to be mixing it with some carrot and some apples. Why, you ask? Well, why not? So we're working with a big chunk of ginger. We've got numerous carrots. It's probably about 4 big carrots, but because I like to add in a few little short chunky ones, just go with what you feel. And we've got 2 apples. Boom! In way too long. Wow. If you are anything like me and suffer from a bit of, feeling out of control when you're in the car or a bus or a train, then jump on this bandwagon, because let me tell you now, it gets you good.